And welcome back to Masshole Auto. Yeah, that's the name of this channel. I didn't have a channel name last time, but we're here and we're gonna try to fix this oxidization and all that, the fogginess of my headlights. And what we're gonna be using is this Turtle Wax headlight lens restorer. So I'm not gonna do a how-to video, but I will do step by step. So I got all my parts here and everything, and it's gonna start. So I'm gonna do one, and then we'll see. And we're back to it, and I finished it, and you can definitely tell a difference. If I get close enough, you can still see scratches. There is, it's like right here. There's a line just through and through it. But, you know, it looks a lot clearer than what it did. I got both of them. Like, I can actually see the light bulb. Let me go and turn on the lights and let's see. Now the lights are on and I'll be able to check when I'm actually, but I can see light now. But you can, yeah, you can see that's all scratches. I gotta get new lights, but this will do for now. Short video, that's all. But yeah, I used this Turtle Wax. I got it at Target because it's the only place around me that had it. And I mean, it's not going to do this, but it'll make it a little better. I mean, let's get out of, see, you can see, looks better now, looks cleaner. You get it at an angle, get it straight on, looks cleaner. So I mean, it works, and it's a temporary fix until I get something done. Now, next I might do the grill, just paint this. Keep this. I might actually put this black. I might paint this entire thing, keep this black, put this black. Like I said, I wanted all black and red. But this was Masshole Auto. You can hear my dog in the background. And this is our Ford Ranger Expedition. I don't want to say an Expedition, but this is our Ford Ranger build. And we're going to go along for the ride. So thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.